Oce, wel bore da bawb. Bore da. Croeso. Mae hi'n fore dydd llun. Bore dydd llun heddi. Bore, a nawr te, dyn ni'n gallu rhoi, ar ôl bore, dyn ni'n gallu rhoi geiriau to describe what kind of bore it is. Let's put say bore twym.
Bore twym.
Right, beth arall ydych chi'n gallu dweud am y bore? Bore... Heilog.
Beth twym?
Twym. Warm. You can't have poeth. The gogs. The gogs. Mae nhw'n dweud bore poeth.
I'm going to write some of these
Right,
down.
bore poeth. I fyny yng Nghaernarfon. Right, ond lawr fan hyn bore twym. Bore twym. Bore heilog. Heilog, synny. O'n i'n arfer byw yn ymyl ryl heilog.
Oh, right.
Ryl, sunny ryl. Ryl heilog is what they call it. Ryl heilog. Yeah, ryl heilog.
Contradiction in terms.
Well, actually, we did have it at the sun, actually. Ond ryl heilog. Felly, bore twyn, bore heilog. Beth all? Bore...
Bra.
Bra. Bore bra.
I don't know. I think it's something
Bore bra. Lovely, nice, yeah. So,
Bore hyfryd.
bore hyfryd. Bore hyfryd. Iawn.
Bore
cynnar.
Bore cynnar. Cynnar. Early. The opposite of
Hwyr.
hwyr. So cynnar is early. Gwlyb. Bore, what is bore gwlyb? Wet morning. So we haven't had one of those in some time. So bore gwlyb. But we're gonna bore. If it's not bore gwlyb, those of you doing the wine tasting, what was the opposite of gwlyb?
Sich.
Sich. Da iawn. Sich. Sich.
Active shut, you know.
And the word, the sich is actually in the throat. It is dry, isn't it? So sich. So if you've been crawling through the desert, you're going sich. Sich.
What's Wynne?
Oh, bore.
Gwyntog.
Gwyntog. Bore gwyntog. So the papers are flying everywhere. Woo.
Oh, sorry.
Gwyntog.
You're going to hang on to the poles and let them fly off the kind of blind. Windy. Gwyntog. Gwyntog. Lots of adjectives for weather end in og. You've got heilog, sunny. Gwyntog, windy.
New log.
New log.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh, right. Now then. Do you remember what new log is?
I don't know.
Foggy. Remember? Chware, new log. EV. What was that?
Foggy.
Play misty to me.
Play misty for me. Chware, new log EV. It's a song. Jazz song. They were singing.
Look at me.
I'm as helpless as a kitten up a tree.
Yeah. Ac my film, gyda that famous Welshman, Clint Eastwood, yn does?
Oh, yeah,
Clint Eastwood.
And his wife.
Oh, yeah.
He married her.
All right, iawn, dyna fe felly chwarae new log I fi.
Ceilog.
Now then.
Oh, he's getting...
Now then. Ceiliog is not an adjective. Ceiliog is what actually wakes you up on a bore cynnar by going, what sound does a ceiliog do?
So you're a ceiliog?
No, it's more of a cock-a-doodle-doodle-doodle-doo, the ceiliog. Right, my ceiliog, cock-a-doodle-doo. It's a cockerel, yes, it is indeed. Huh? Hail. In South Wales, they say keser.
Oh, keser, sorry.
Yeah, but keser, that's hail. Hail, not Hail Caesar, but, you know, the stuff which comes down. Yeah, hail, keser. But this ceiliog, if you buy cornflakes, a certain brand, I'm not advertising one, certain brand of cornflakes has a picture of an animal on it, doesn't it? Okay.
Yeah.
Apparently, the reason is that Nancy Griffiths, who was a famous Welsh harpist, was in America staying at this hotel, and who should be there but a person who wanted to start up a healthy eating breakfast company, and his name was Mr. Kellogg's. And she told him, well, actually, yn Gymraeg, the Welsh word for cockerel is ceiliog. And he said, oh, I'll use that. So, felly, there's that cysylltiad. So Kellogg's sounds swnio tipyn bach fel... So consequently, you've got a ceiliog on a Kellogg's box.
Fantastic. Diane, diolch.
Right. Okay, so dyma ni bore, you could have bore bendigedig.
Bore bendigedig.
Bore arferchog!
Bore arferchog! Right. Pimp seren, yeah. Right, nawr ten, da iawn, arferchog. Nawr ten, be dwi'n mynd I wneud, cyn I ni ddechrau, I'm just going to flag up something.
Bore diflas.
Bore diflas. Lowry Bowen.
Lowry Bowen.
Yeah, got bore diflas. Miserable, yeah. Bore diflas. Yeah. Yeah, right, well. Yeah. So, from the valleys, of course, Lowry Bowen, bore diflas. Nawr ten, fan hyn, oedd buddig, cyn i'r camerau ddechrau rowlio, oedd buddig fan hyn wedi gofyn cwestiwn I fi, sut yn dweud, I really like doing something or other. Ac yn y testyn, in the text, it talks about reina lla lleici gwallter. What do they like doing? They really like looking after their... So they're wrth ei gwesteion. Wrth ei bodda. Wrth ei bodda. So, but if you're talking about, I really like doing something, we'll be doing that later on today, but it's when they say, they really love looking after their gwesteion, their guests. But wrth y modd is I really, you say, dwi wrth y modd means I really, 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 really like. It isn't just like doing licio or doing hoffi. Or even doing mwynhau with the hi. Doing mwynhau, I enjoy. You can say, you know, I enjoy the odd glass of wine, I do. But if you
when you say that.
I look over there. But doing wrth y modd is where, you know, you're almost obsessional about, you really like this.
You're in your element.
You're in your element. This is what you really like doing. So, fan hyn, you could say two things. You could say, dwi wrth y modd yn chwarae golf. That means I really, 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 really love playing golf. So, ti eisiau buddig?
Buddig.
Ti eisiau dweud, dwi wrth y modd!
Dwi wrth y môr chwarae golf.
Right, iawn. But if actually he didn't play golf, he just liked to watch golf, he would say, dwi wrth y modd gyda golf. I'm delighted with golf. So you can say, I could say, you know, I'm really, you know, I really, really, really like chwarae cricket, okay? But I don't play it, right? So, no, that was luck. Beginner's luck, that was. That was beginner's luck. I was telling you, no, because so if you say, I like something, but it's watching, you can say, dwi wrth y modd gyda. There are lots and lots of people who really enjoy watching rugby yng Nghymru, right? Dwi wrth y modd gyda rugby. But that's different from dwi wrth y modd yn chwarae rugby, because there you're a participant. Yeah, so dyna gwahaniaeth.
Can you change it to edrych?
Yeah, you could say dwi wrth y modd yn edrych ar rugby or gwylio rugby. Or another word you could use is dilyn. Follow. I really love following rugby.
Dilynwch y patrwm.
Dilynwch y patrwm, da iawn. Dilynwch, follow.
What is the main difference between edrych
Follow the
and
pattern.
gwylio?
Edrych means to look.
Yeah.
So edrych ar means to look at. Gwylio means to watch.
Okay.
So gwylio teledu is to watch television. Edrych ar y teledu, to look at television, they can be interchangeable. But if I were to say, edrychwch, you'd all go, look, right? I haven't told you where to look. So if I shout out edrychwch now, everybody look in different directions. Like so, 1, 2, 3, edrychwch!
Edrychwch.
Yeah, okay? But if I were to shout out gwylioch, I'm saying watch. So with that, if I say gwylioch, you go, oh, what am I going to step in? Watch. Subtle difference. So I'll shout out edrychwch and gwylioch and do the right actions, okay? And I'll mix them up. Gwylioch! Oh gosh, what's that? Ych a fi, gwylioch, ych a fi. Edrychwch! Gwylioch! Edrychwch! Gwylioch! Right, da iawn. OK, da iawn. A ddechrau. Nawr ten, dyn ni'n mynd I ddechrau bore yma. Dyn ni'n mynd I ddechrau gyda bwrdd gwyn glân gwag, gyda dim byd arno fe.
Is there an opposite to that? Can you turn that into a negative, or you just wouldn't say it? Meaning you really,
The
really
Welsh
hate
being
something.
negative about something? Scarcely believe. No, yeah, you would say, oh, dwi'n casau. You could say
But you would never use wrth fy modd
No, not in a negative
in a
sense.
negative.
No,
It's
you
only
couldn't.
ever
No.
positive.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
How is it different to dulia?
Duliar means something similar, but it's like you wouldn't use it like in duliar. Yeah, you could say it with duliar chwarae rugby, but you say doing duli ar wyn coch. Oh, doing duliar. Say this is a food you like. If you would say, oh, bara lawr. Bara lawr. What's bara lawr?
Bread.
Thick bread.
Heavy black bread. Black bread.
Lava bread. That green, lovely green sludge, right? Okay, so now then you can say, oh, dwi wrth fy modd, or dwi'n, let's not, we dwli ar. You can say dwli ar or wrth fy modd, either of them. So dwi'n dwli, that's right here, dwi'n dwli. Dwli ar, dwi'n dwli ar, that means that's the same as dwi wrth fy modd gyda. Only difference is you'll have a soft mutation after ar, but there we are. Dwi'n dwli ar, and it's, oh, dwi'n dwli ar, you love something or other. Ooh, you really like something. So dwi'n dwli ar fara lawr. So I really love lava bread. Okay? Or dwi'n dwli ar tripe. Or dwi'n dwli ar...
Picai ar y maen.
Pice ar y man, da iawn. What's pice ar y man? Pice ar... now, it's pronounced man, written like that, but let's put it as it's pronounced. Pice ar y man. It's those little Welsh cakes, little pikelets on the stone. So let's together say, ooh, dwi'n dwli ar fara lawr. 1, 2, 3. Dwi'n dwli ar fara lawr. Dwi'n dwli ar bice ar y man. Dwi'n dwli ar bice ar y man. Dwi'n dwli ar wyn coch. Dwi'n dwli ar wyn coch. Dwi'n dwli ar wyn gwyn sych.
Dwi'n dwli ar wyn gwyn sych.
So what kind of white wine was that?
Dry.
Right, okay, what would be dwi'n dwli ar wyn gwyn melys?
Sweet.
Right, dwi'n dwli ar wyn gwyn melys o'r Almaen.
German red.
Right, yeah,
It'd be
yeah.
Riesling, I expect.
Yeah, right, yeah. But iawn, da iawn, ardderchog. So you can't interchange dwi wrth fy modd with dwi'n dwli ar. Dwi'n dwli ar. Iawn, ardderchog. Okay, let's go. Nawr te, y cyfnod ni'n mynd i wneud i ddechrau bore yma ydy, dyn ni'n mynd i gael bwrdd gwyn glân, ac nawr ten, be dyn ni'n mynd i wneud? These two whiteboards are in need of decoration. Gwyn, clear, dim byd yna. So let's decorate these whiteboards. Let's do a modern art, plaster these whiteboards with unrhyw eiriau Cymraeg. So dych chi'n eisiau sgriptio. Dim eisiau sgriptio. Beth bynnag. This is let him, whatever sy'n dod allan. Whatever comes out, comes out. Right, okay? Ar y bwrdd gwyn, unrhyw beth sy'n dod allan, any words which come out. Defnyddio. And we can go over them afterwards to say what they mean. For now, peidiwch y poeni what they mean. If something comes out and you don't know what they mean, doesn't matter, we'll go over them afterwards. Because words can pop out. You think, well, I wonder what that means. Doesn't matter, as long as it can pop out. So let's just getting it out.
Defnyddio.
So yeah, defnyddio. Throw anything else. Hawdd. Right, okay, iawn. Amolchi. Hey, right, okay.
Cyfarwyddwr.
Cyfarwyddwr. Iawn. Cyfrifiadur? Oh, right, well, okay.
Oh, he likes his...
Computer.
Yeah, right, iawn.
Diwedd Arab.
Diwedd Arab, da iawn. Diwedd Arab o ddiwedd Arab.
Diwedd Arab.
Yeah. Cimoch. Da iawn. O, ni'n licio... O.
Paratoi.
Paratoi. Paratoi. Right, okay.
O, crank.
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 Cawech.
Ysgafin.
Ysgafn, da iawn.
Ysgafin, like...
Peryglis.
Peryglis.
Loider.
Oh, yeah.
More like
So, Lleidr and more Lleidr.
Spider.
Clistiau.
Clistiau.
No, Tistiau.
Mimi.
I do what optician you go to, but...
Squid. Squid on your shirt. A squiddy eye.
A squidau. A squidau.
Coesau.
Coesau. Croeso. Croeso.
Doniol. Doniol.
Doniol. That's in Doniol.
Trai.
Trwyn.
Troin.
Troin.
Troin. Rumi accent. Troin.
Yeah?
Chwerthin.
Chwerthin. I'll come back to Doniol in a minute. Any words you don't know, we'll go with them in a minute. Like chwerthin. Ond. Ond.
Dinon.
Yeah, shall but. Shall on. Ah, right, okay. That'll be the word for the week. Shall on. Oh, right, okay, yeah, okay. Loisol. Ad Loisol. Pioneering. Ad Loisol, yeah.
And roeddio.
And wreiddio. And wreiddio. Portugueg. Da iawn. Portugueg. Oops, Portugueg.
High.
Rydd high, so with an on.
Release. Good one.
Yeah. Rydd high.
Red egg.
Red egg. Hey.
Tally.
Tally.
Nol. Is that how you say nol? Fetch.
No, yeah, no is the fetch.
Tunny.
Tunny, da iawn, tunny.
Oh, tunny.
I can see you.
Tynwch.
Yeah, tynwch. Tynwch. Felly.
Go on, you do it.
Tyfni.
Tyfu.
Oh, do right. Grownwyn.
Grawn.
Osgellwr.
Oh, wow, ardderchog.
Try be the teacher.
A wing in rugby.
wing in
Asgellwr. Hey, five way. Hey. Right, great, da iawn, ardderchog. So you got the ur is the man, and the asgell is the wing. So the asgellwr, now an asgellwr in rugby, an asgellwr yn redeg, yn gyflym I lawr yr asgell. A cicio I lawr yr asgell. So, yeah, so asgell the wing, down the wing. So felly mae'r asgellwr yn redeg. So what's happening here? I'm doing a rugby commentary. Oh, ac mae'r asgellwr yn redeg I lawr yr asgell chwith.
He's turned.
He's
He's
running
running
down
to the left.
He's running down the left wing.
Down the left wing.
Left wing.
Right. Ac mae'r asgellwr yn redeg ar lawr yr asgell dde.
Over there. On the right wing.
Ac mae'n sgorio! Hey, come on, please. Wait, okay.
It's not real.
Right, not it. Okay, it says, oh, too much white.
Dal.
Dal. Do you remember dal?
Yeah, fetch.
Dal. Pensaer.
Lovely one, good one.
Oh.
Pensaer.
Pensaer.
Wedi.
Gwasanaethau. Wedi. Da iawn. Wedi. It's behind you. Wedi. And what was all you going?
Gwasanaethau.
Gwasanaethau.
Gwersi. What's that?
Poethin.
Penelyn, penny.
Beth yw?
Poethin. Does that not mean anything?
Bwthyn.
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 Penol.
Penol. Penol.
Gwersi.
Breast.
Bronoi.
Bronau. Okay.
Here we go.
Ball.
Right, I think, should we let you switch the camera off? Like, yeah, okay, like, yeah. Huh?
What was it, Bethin? What was bless you?
Bendith.
Oh, Bendith.
Bendith like Beckham.
So,
Where it was written. That's exactly where it was written.
yn Gymraeg, os ydych chi'n dweud gesundheit, ydych chi'n dweud bendith ar dy bendi. A blessing on your head. Like in the song, a blessing on your head, mazel tov, mazel tov. So, bendith ar dy bendi. But if you say, like, lle hwyl fawr, you can, when you're leaving, you can say, well, pob bendith. Blessings to you all. All blessings. Right, poor bendith. Poor bendith. So you give your blessings to everybody as you're leaving them. So poor bendith.
Are we going to do that?
Right, poor bendith, yeah. Poor bendith. Poor bendith. Fy mab. Right, still too many white places. Darllen. And cowards gawson ni hefyd, yeah. Okay, right, okay. Deall.
Deall. Bonnet the guest side.
Oh, wow! Hey! Wow! Great! Hey! Hey!
And the rugby's are coming back.
Diane!
Say it, bonnet the guest side. And someone else have
Ladies and gentlemen, I think about gentlemen and ladies, so you can say, there we are, by the end of the week, you give a speech. One of the young, one of the gesau, and croeso I forest, yeah. And the customs I am to public speaking. Right, okay. So you say, Bonevigion, that's gentlemen, Bonevigesau. Bonevigesau.
We hear.
Bonevigion.
To the theatre.
Bonevigesau.
Sporting event before.
Yeah.
We hear that. I've heard that for 35 years.
Yeah, right. So now then, let's all do a sort of because in Cymraeg we say gentlemen and ladies, but let's all say, okay, let's start off an event, like a wedding. Please be, ladies and gentlemen, please be upstanding for the bride and groom. To say, Bonevigion, Bonevigesau. And all three, un, dau, tri. Bonevigion, Bonevigesau. Da iawn.
Croeso I Alfie Thomas!
Right, dal tipyn bach o Wynne fan hyn.
Ffôn symudo.
Ffôn. Symudol. Ffôn symudol. Pysgodyn. Mochyn.
Dirty mocking in.
Now, there are two words here which could be twyll, which is cheat, or tywyll, which is dark. Twyll, tywyll would be dark, cheat.
Ceinog y dimau.
Ceiniog y dimau!
Sheep. Ceiniog y
Da iawn, ardderchog, right? Na. Gwyn. Let's Gwyn. Tip bach. Rad. Dryd. Ysgrifen. So ysgrifen is writing. So the script bit. If two rights would be ysgrifennu.
Gareth. Drobl Plantasilio.
Go. Son, go. Iawn, da iawn. Un arall.
Cawod.
Rhyw! No! You can't have that.
What does it mean?
Sex.
What?
It doesn't.
What does it mean?
You just said sex. Lucie Owens just said sex. The face of
Lucie Owen!
I'm really in disgust. We never come, Lee.
Yeah.
My mate did that to his mother-in-law, right? And he said to his mother-in-law, because he
That was the way you looked at me when you said that.
like Cubit and Julian is some
Yeah, cardia. Right.
So he thought
would
he
you
just
have
asked him
Go on,
so he took the first half of the word and he said, Tina Shane Rhyw.
Do you want sex?
And that was on a cake.
So, byddwch yn ofalus. So, byddwch yn ofalus with this word, because rhywbeth is something. Rhywle is somewhere.
You made your man's day there.
Right, it's very early in the morning when you're... Rhywbeth, something, rhywle and so on. So, rhywfaint is some measure. But the word rhyw by itself, if you look in the dictionary, it's got two meanings. It means some, but it also means something else as well. Yeah. But actually, and Dewi, Llewellyn Rodriguez, that's ew sound, is not the same as the ew sound. Right? Ew and ew. Now, you don't have any problems with the ew and the ew, because you're South Wales. You have no problem saying Dewi and Bew, right? And pan ydych chi'n cael lot o Saeson, a lot of English people learning Welsh, they don't have a problem with the ell and the ech. It's the ew and the ew they have a problem with. So they actually, and this happens a lot in North Wales, mix up between rhew and rhew. Now, rhew is ice, and rhewy, and rhew is the other thing.
How rude
So
is rhew?
very often people, will give you a drink and say, this is a gin and tonic. Tisha, they get their hows and their who's mixed up, so it makes an interesting party anyway. So, so diolch yn fawr iawn. Right, okay, iawn, no 10. Nôl ni at y sgript. Nôl ni at y sgript.
Fancy a bit of Lucie Thomas now?
Lucy Thomas?
Lucie Owen.
Lucie Owen.
Lucie Owen.
Well, why not? Dwynwen Clwy, named after the Welsh patron saint of love.
Love, yeah.
Dyna ni, pam nai.
You've got love in your soul. Love in your
Ond, but if you read the story, she was not really into that kind of thing. No, ddim yn hapus o gwbl. No, so.
There you go. Thank you. Take your end off. There you go.
Brilliant.
Right, nawr ten, dyn ni'n mynd i fynd ymlaen. Tip bach gyda tudalen 3 a 4, a wedyn dyn ni'n mynd i chwarae bingo, a lot o bethau felly. Right, nawr ten. Tudalen 3 a tudalen 4.
So that's these London tube drivers who couldn't say Geraint on Scrappy. They're going, Geraint. How do you say it again? Geraint. Geraint. I can say Geraint.
Oh, Geraint, all right, yeah.
Geraint.
Geraint. Yeah, dwi'n gallu gweld myfanwy why you didn't want this file. Yeah, mae'n ddau hwnna, di. Jesus. So, I don't know, I've done the gentlemanly thing, taking a file drwg am a file da. OK, tudalen 3 o'r top. Nawr ni ddarllen tudalen 3 a tudalen 4 gyda'n gilydd. Ac wedyn ni'n chwarae gwmpas, ni'n chwarae bingo, pob math o bethau bore yma. Felly, dwi'n ddechrau na. Yn nat... Nas ys bod pawb yn cyrraedd eto. So, top tudalen 3. Top tudalen 3 sydd yn dechrau gyda...
Glasses and everything.
Ti'n not...
Pen.
Pen tost? Ti eisiau dŵr? Gormod o wyn, ddoi. Gormod o wyn.
Too much wine?
No.
Just... Oh, chwerthin. All right, yeah. So can we cut that out, please?
Okay.
It's giving her a headache.
Because we don't learn anything.
Na, felly, right, iawn. Right, so ni'n dechrau gyda na.
Na.
Yn naturiol, dwi eisiau defnyddio. So, on the previous page, we had dwi ddim eisiau defnyddio. I don't want to use some cheap or nasty actors, no. On au contraire, dwi eisiau defnyddio. Actorion gore Cymru.
Actorion gore Cymru.
A dyna pam dych chi yma. So, yn Gymraeg, you won't say, well, that's why. Dyna pam. So, dyna pam. So, dyna pam dych chi yma. Chi, so, chi is the plural you. Chi, pawb? Chi. Yw'r dethol rai. The select few, dethol rai. Sydd wedi eich gwahodd. So the wedi tells you it's in the past. So your invitation came previously. Sydd wedi eich gwahodd I actio. Yn anturiaethau fflach eirias. Croeso mawr I chi. Felly, I Westy Forest. Un o westau mwyaf moethus. Say mwyaf moethus. So it's nose job. Want a nose job? Say this sentence. Mwyaf moethus. Ein gwlad. Yeah, mwyaf moethus. But nid dwi'n gofyn bywyd moethus, cael y byd a'i berlau man. Da iawn. Good. Okay. Ein gwlad. Byddwn ni'n aros yma. Tra bod ni'n ffilmio'r gyfres. Ac mae'n lle bendigedig. Mae'r gwesti'n cael ei redeg. So redeg, so the hotel gets itself run by yn cael ei redeg. Gan deulu. Dymunol iawn. Okay, da iawn. Perchnogion. Perchnogion yw, so perchnogion, the owners, perchnogion, remember nog in the nog? Perchnogion yw, rheinallt a lleici gwallter. Rheinallt a lleici gwallter. Par hyfryd. Ac maen nhw'n gweithio'n galed iawn. So you can say, dwi'n gweithio'n galed iawn yn y dosbarth Cymraeg. You can live, you want. Dwi'n gweithio'n galed iawn yn y dosbarth Cymraeg. Da iawn, okay. Maen nhw'n gweithio'n galed iawn. Bob dydd. O fore gwyn tan nos. There we are, slipped in an idiom from white morning until night, from dawn till dusk.
Yeah, and fore is bore, morning, from
So, o fore gwyn
till
tan
night.
nos. So, you could have o fore gwyn tan hwyr hefyd, that happens as well. So, o bore, from o fore. As we go through the text, you'll notice some letters sometimes change. This is the wonderful thing we have in Welsh called mutations. So we are so happy to have them in Cymraeg. I mean, unfortunately, pity the English, they don't have them.
Ah, love it.
Love them.
Bechod.
Bechod. So, trenni. So, dyn ni'n lwcus iawn. Lwcus iawn, we have mutations. Gwych. They add spice to that. So, o fore gwyn tan nos, from first light until dark, basically. O fore gwyn tan nos. Maen nhw'n hoffi gweithio. You will hear as well, lico. You will hear lico as well, okay, hoffi gweithio. Yn I gwesti. Ac maen nhw, this was they really enjoyed it. Maen nhw wrth I bodd. Yn helpu ei holl westeion. So we've had yr holl before. It's like ein arwr ni oll, it's the same word, weird. So all, a holl westeion.
Our hero.
Yes, ein harwr ni oll. Ein harwr ni oll. Ein harwr ni oll.
Our hero.
Yeah, our hero. So holl is the whole that completes something. So, now then, one of you has been nicking bottles of wine. So you're in the dock and you've got to tell the truth. Y gwir, yr holl wir, a dim ond y gwir. So you can say, right, dwi'n addo. I swear. Dwi'n addo. Dweud. Y gwir. Yr holl wir. A dim ond y gwir. Da iawn, okay, right, we'll hold you to that. Right, now then, right, and a holl westeion. Yn gweithio yma hefyd mai. A plant. A'i partneriaid. Yeah, so it always strikes me as odd when I see these signs like heavy plant crossing. And I always get this picture of my head of it. Dyma Ioan.
Dyma Ioan.
So if you're sort of introducing, here it is. So if you're introducing your partner, friend, anybody, children to somebody, you say, oh, dyma. So you've got these, parties, and you say, oh, this is so-and-so, this is so-and-so. So you say, oh, dyma, bydd hef. Dyma, dwi'n include. Dyma, gethin arfer. Dyma, mae fan Evans de Chonis. So dyma. So, no, we'll have, so let's have un, dau, tri, and I can stand with this group. So one of you introduce the other two, one other person. So fan hyn, os dyn ni'n cael fan hyn, Dewi Llewellyn Rodriguez, right? So you introduce Lowry Bowen to Do You Include? And fel hyn, so if you introduce Gethin Arthur, right? Irfan Evans. And Myfanwy, you can introduce Bydd hef to me. So you can say, dyma, blah, 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 blah. Oh, shwai. Right, so we'll do that. Un, dau, tri, off we go.
Dyma Lowry Bowen.
Elgin Jones.
Dyma.
Shwai.
Dain Wynne.
Shwai. And introduce him to me.
Shwai, bet. Shwai.
Da iawn, okay. Da iawn. Okay.
Shwai.
A dyma Steve Jones. Oh, Gethin Jones. No, Gethin Arthur.
Shwai.
Right, da iawn. And I can say dyma.
Dyma. O, Shwai. Dyma. Ifan Jones.
Jones, we're all Jones.
Dyma. Eithaf Dafydd.
Sôn am y Jones, apparently, oedd Colin Jarvis yn dweud pan oedd Nelson Mandela wedi dod draw.
Oh, yeah, the Joneses.
The Joneses. In a row. He said, this is so-and-so Jones, this is so-and-so Jones, so-and-so Jones. And he came to somebody, Shane, and don't tell me, Jones, was it? Or something like that?
No, I don't know if that, but I know there was all the Jones boys stood next to each other on purpose.
Yeah.
This is Duncan Jones, this is Adam Jones, this is Daniel Jones, this is Stephen Jones.
Yeah. Os ydych chi gyda plant, os ydych chi'n siarad gyda plant bach, and they're going, and they're just sit my men in the school, and which teacher are you with now? Is it Mrs. Jones, Mrs. Williams, Mrs. Davies, or Mrs. Evans? It's really going to be one of them, usually, felly. Right, so, beth bynnag, iawn. Okay. Na, so dyma Ioan. Mae e'n 33 oed. Mae e'n 33 oed. Ac mae e'n fachgen dymunol iawn. Ac mae e'n fachgen dymunol iawn. Mae e'n fachgen clyfar iawn hefyd.
Mae e'n fachgen clyfar iawn hefyd.
But not as clever a Lowry Bowen. Achos Lowry Bowen noticed that you cannot have an MA mewn Cymraeg. You've got to have an MSc mewn Cymraeg. So, my MSc, ddim MA, mae MSc gyda fe mewn Cymraeg. So, mae MSc gyda fe, mae MSc gyda fe?
Mae MSc gyda fe
mewn Cymraeg. O Brifysgol Bangor.
O Brifysgol Bangor.
So, Bangor, i fyny yn y gogledd, felly. Ysgol is a school. Ysgol is a school. Prifysgol, university.
But cathedral, you'd think would be Prif-Eglwys, but it's not. Is it something else? I can't.
Eglwys Cathedral, because the bishop has his chair there. That's why. So, cathedral. Cader. It's the same word you say from Latin. So, Eglwys Gadeiriol is the church where the bishop, or the archbishop rather, has his chair. So that's why they call it Eglwys Gadeiriol. So they say, you're all sat on our cader. So the archbishop would sit on his cader in the Eglwys Gadeiriol. Gadeiriol. Yeah. So felly, o Brifysgol Bangor, a PhD mewn ffiseg quantum.
PhD mewn ffiseg quantum.
O Brifysgol Aberystwyth. So this my blah 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 gyda fi is a very easy way of saying I've got, you've got, he's got, she's got. Okay, and all you say is my blah 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 gyda fi. Now this is a good place to do the pronouns: me, you, him, her, and so on. So now then, so V. So this is all about me. V. Pawb? V. Ah, no, it's not. This is all about you. This is all about you. T.
T.
Right, okay, now then, ve, him, ve.
Him.
Ve. He.
She.
He. Ni. Remember in Monty Python film, the knights who say me. So they're saying us, us, we, ni. We've had, messy. He. That's you. He. It can mean you, plural, or it can be used in a formal situation where you don't know somebody. Good morning, sir, how are you? And Saesneg, you would tend to say, good morning, sir, how are you? Felly, that's a bit formal. And Gymraeg, bore da, shwt I chi? Because it's a bit more formal to the individual. It's like in the Ffrangeg, you've got the two and the vous. So the chi can be either a formal singular or a plural. Yeah? So, no, you don't actually hear the H that strongly. No. You don't say no. Nahu, that sounds a bit odd. So you say nahu, and it sounds odd. Nahu, Pugh? Nahu. No. But you might breathe a little bit. No. Yeah. So now 10. Them. So V is, right? V is me, number one. T is you. Tree is him. He is her. And then we've got the plurals here then. So first person, plural. Second person, plural or formal. Ac nhw ydy them. Right, so, yeah, felly, os dyn ni'n dweud, well, right, my, put the my at the beginning. My. So the whole expression is my something or other gyda fi, or it can be shortened down to just dy fi. Dy fi, because it's something like is not becomes isn't, cannot becomes can't, ac yn y blaen. Felly, I could say, my tri o blant a ferret dy fi. What have I just said? Os. Gwyn. Ferret Gwyn.
No. My ferret.
Yeah. My tri o blant a ferret.
My 3 children.
Dy fi. So I've got my blah 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 dy fi. This is the I've got. This is how you say I've got. My tri o blant.
My trio blant.
What's trio blant?
3 children.
Right. A ferret.
Dy
fi.
ferrets.
A dy fi.
A dy fi.
I've got 3 children and a ferret.
And
And a ferret. Yeah.
Three ferrets as well.
Right, yeah.
I think you call your children ferrets.
Children masculine then.
No, if you trio blant, because it's I've got dau bachgen ag un ferch. It's a very sexist language. You can have 100 children and 1 man, and you still use for the collective, you use masculine. Ofnadwy. There we are. Trio blant.
Tri blentyn? No.
Tri flentin.
Tri flentyn.
But it's more natural in Gymraeg. If you're saying to use 3 of and then the plural.
Why would you use tri flentyn? I thought plentyn was child.
Yeah, so you can actually say tri flentin. It's grammatically possible, but not used a lot. You say trio blant.
Trio blant.
Trio blant, 3 children, trio blant. Pimp o blant, deg o blant, saith o blant. Okay? It's once you get under 3, that's when you say dau blentyn.
Right.
Un plentyn, dau blentyn,
yeah,
tri o blant.
Okay.
So you got dau blentyn.
Okay, so you'd say my.
We would have a complicated name, wouldn't we?
So you could say my dau o blant gyda fi as well. You could say my dau o blant gyda fi. Okay, you could be specific and say dwy ferch, dau fab and so on. But for now, just look at the pattern. So I would say my tri o blant.
My
A ferret. Dy fi. So I've got 3 children and a ferret. You could say my car glass dy fi.
I've got a blue car.
Right? Okay.
So why is it dy fi or gyda fi? I don't understand. I don't miss that part.
This is a totally different expression in Gymraeg from English. English is I've got. Gyda means with. So what you're actually saying is there is my something or other gyda fi with me. So what you're actually saying is there are 3 children and a ferret with me. there's a blue car with me. That's how you actually say, I've got. It's, that's,
When you just said it, you said Davy, didn't you?
Because you can shorten it.
you can short the gyda fi to Davy. It's like is not becomes isn't, or cannot becomes can't, and say.
So both are right.
So the thing, so if you say, tell me what colour car you've got. My car
Gwers.
Davy. My car Gwers Davy. So every say what kind of car they got, what colour car they got. My car Gwers Davy.
My car D.
Davy. My car D Davy.
My car Gwyn Davy.
My car Gwyn Davy. Do you know your colours?
Silver.
Arian.
I like cash.
Yeah.
Oh, my
Car?
Arian. My car Arian gyda fi.
Ar ferchog, da iawn.
My car Gwyn Davy.
My car Gwyn Davy.
My car glass to be.
My car Glas Davy.
My car grey, Davy.
Llwyd.
Llwyd.
Lloyd.
Yeah, like Lloyd, yeah. So my car Llwyd Davy.
Mae'n anodd I golchi car gwyn.
Ydy. Yn wedig yn Forest. Na, yn Forest, mae pob car yn wyn ar hyn o bryd, jyst gyda llwch I gan y blaen. Beth yna ti?
There's no describing the colour of my car. So, I'll say, my car Tylee gyda fi.
Ia.
Achos fy beth drive.
Gyrru. Dwi'n gyrru.
Achos beth gyrru yn Citroen Picasso. Not cool, but it's a family car.
Right, so my car Tylee. I've got a family car. Right, okay. You could say my car Rasho, Davy. Car Rasho.
Oh, racist, but Gethin.
Yeah, my.
So my Gethin.
My, and then you've got the, say what kind of a car it is, gyda Gethin.
My car.
Rasho.
Rasho. Gyda Gethin.
Gyda Gethin. Da iawn, ar ddeg. So you see the way it's put together, my, and then you've got to put, what's there, gyda Gethin. Let's put it in a different colour. My.
Yeah, right.
So, my car, Rasho.
My car crap.
My car Rasho gyda Gethin. My car Rasho gyda Gethin. So Gethin has got a racing car. My car Rasho. So now do we call you car Gwyn, yeah? My car Gwyn gyda ti. Car Glas gyda ti. Car Gwyrdd gyda ti. Car D. Car D gyda ti. Car Arian gyda ti. Or car Rasho. Car Rasho. Is it a silver racing car?
Yeah.
Car Rasho Arian gyda ti.
My car Mercedes.
Oh, right, iawn, okay. A beth sy'n gyda... Car Teulu gyda ti. Mae car... Gwyn gyda ti, a car... Car Llwyd gyda ti. A mae car Glas gyda fi. Car Glas Diesel gyda fi. Felly, right, so... Felly, right. So,
Say dented and scratched.
wedi tolcio. Are you saying my car? Are you telling me something?
Wedi tolcio.
Wedi tolcio. Two people here have got car Gwyn. So, my car Gwyn gyda nhw. Yeah, gyda nhw. O na, gyda nhw. Oh yeah, car, yeah, so my car, yeah, gyda ni. But the main thing is, what you're actually saying is there is something with me, with you, with him, with her. This construction is totally back to front from English. It's, yeah, because in Cymraeg, it's not so much the words, but the sentences are, and Saesneg are Cymraeg, they're back to front. So this one here, my blah, 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 gyda fi. So we say, my blah, 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 dy fi, and you just slot in whatever you want to say, with the blah, blah, blah. Say, my blah, 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 dy fi.
My blah 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 gyda fi.
Okay, my blah, 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 gyda fi.
My blah blah gyda fi.
Right, so you could say, oh, my tŷ mawr posh gyda fi.
Oh, mae'n tîm mawr posh gyda fi.
My carpedi gyda fi o wal I wal.
My carpedi gyda fi o wal I wal.
Right, my car rasio mawr gyda fi.
Mae car rasio mawr gyda fi.
Okay. You could say, my tea gyda fe yn y Costa del Sol. Ac mae tŷ arall gyda fe yn Florida. Yeah, okay. Tŷ arall, what's arall? Another house, right. Okay, da iawn. Right. O wal I wal.
From wall to wall.
O wal I wal. O wal I wal. So, wythnos yma, you're having Cymraeg o wal I wal. Cymraeg o wal I wal. Okay, I'm going to leave that for now. I'm going to ask Nia to carry on with that this afternoon. So we've just done that. On now, bingo. Dwi'n meddwl. Yes! Bingo! Bingo! Bingo!
Is it for you, man? You love bingo.
Os ydych chi eisiau...
Do you know what I'm thinking, right? One morning when they wake you up, you should be in bed with Mostyn like this.
I don't think Boston likes me anymore.
Don't leave Mostyn.
Nawr, os ydych chi eisiau... Mae papur gwyrdd dy fi fan hyn. Os ydych chi eisiau papur gwyrdd. Os ydych chi eisiau papur i chwarae bingo?
Os gwelwch chi na? No, does dim beiro gyda fi.
Oh, right, okay.
Unwaith eto.
No, oes beiro sbar gyda rhywun?
Diolch.
Croeso.
Beiro spa.
I don't know.
Oes posib gael rhywun i fynd i nôl beiro i hedd, os gwelwch yna?
In your own time, yeah.
Dyma ni, croeso.
Oh, athrawon.
Croeso. O! Hedd, dim problem. Hedd.
Oh, diolch.
Croeso. Nawr, mae beiro gyda hedd.
Caterpillar,
Oh.
right.
Caterpillar ydi lindys.
Lindis.
Lindys.
Dyma Lindis.
Caterpillar, lindys.
Lindys fawr.
O, siani flewog. Siani flewog hefyd is a caterpillar. Let's do it. Siani flewog. I feel a song coming on. Felly, right, so, siani flewog. Mae siani flewog. Cyn i ni chwarae bingo, achos bod hedd wedi gwneud siani flewog ar draws y llawr, mae can fach am siani flewog. And there is words in this song, dych chi'n gwybod yn barod. Felly. So, siani flewog. So, siani flewog is actually, siani flewog. Blewog is hairy. So you go like, remember David Lee Travis, the hairy monster? Anghenfil blewog. Blewog, hairy. So blewog. So shani flewog is a hairy shani. So, right, okay? Shani flewog, shani... I think we'll stop there. Should have said that, should I not? Edit, please, edit. Siani flewog, ble reidi, dringo I fyny, climb up at dy ysgwydd. Up to your shoulder. Yeah, I dy gosi di. So it goes like this, you see. Yes. This is what they do with little children. They go, Shani flewog, ble reidi, dring o'i fyny at y ysgwydd. I dy gosi di. And they tickle them into the ear. So, now 10. So, you're in pairs. Who's going to get tickled by whom, Van Hen? So now 10. So let's sing the song together. It goes like Shani flewog, ble reidi, dring o'i fyny at y ysgwydd. Then we have a dramatic pause. I dy gosi di. Woo! Right, so good, right. So we'll have the person in, tickle that person first, and then we'll turn it around. So you get to tickle your partners. Oh, right. So, right. Can you stop your Amelia? I think we need to work on the melody, I think. Right. Get on, Gareth. Wait for the melody. Right. Get on the melody now, okay? Oh, right, okay. So, Shani Flewog, Blere, During Oifani at a squid. Pause! Even the gods he did. Iawn, eto, so, right, okay. And then, okay, iawn, okay. Yeah.
It sounds like you should be singing to film.
It's the dramatic tension as the kids are waiting there and they're like, woo! Right, yeah. Okay, bye. Right, da iawn, ardderchog. So, heno, glasio the Wynne. You're away. Yeah? Okay, oh, right, okay. Spontaneous, unwaith eto, felly, right, okay.
I have not done too
Oh, right, well, we can't have that. No, hang on, that'll be go compare. Right, now 10. Okay, so ddim i wneud hynny. Right, felly... Okay, right, so now 10, felly... Dych chi'n dechrau off fel un, dych chi'n mynd... Siani flewog, blere di, dring o'i fyny at y ysgwyd. I dy gosi di. Ardderchog, da iawn. And on that serious note, can you call it bingo? Naw gair o dudalen 3 a dudalen 4. So we got... Beiro? Yeah, my... Right, my Paul wedi mynd I ôl beiro I ti. Yeah, felly. If you want to say I haven't got, yeah, so you just say stim beiro gyda fi.
You don't need the dice stick.
You can cut it down. Stim. So instead of my something gyda fi, you'd say, which is short for doi stim something. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Say to me as well.
Stim beiro gyda fi.
Or to be.
Da fi. Yeah, stim beiro. In everyday spoken Welsh, like in everyday spoken English, you do chop things down. So you say, oh, stim beiro da fi. Stim arian da fi. Stim amser da fi. Got no time. Okay? Something you won't need this week is stim clem da fi. I have a clue. Clem.
Clem, it is Clem.
Yeah. No, stim clem da fi. I haven't got a clue.
Stim Clem to be.
Yeah, stim clem da fi. But that's not the phrase you need this week. So, felly, stim clem da fi. Or, even better, hyd yn oed well, stim ots da fi. So I couldn't care less. No, so you can put your nose in the air and you can say, well, stim ots da fi.
What do we do when now?
Naw gair, so 9 words, naw gair from tudalen 3 a 4.
Okay.
A dyn ni'n mynd I chwarae bingo.
Good to go.
From that page.
Tudalen 3 a tudalen 4.
Pedwar.
Yeah.
I can't read my own writing.
Should have been a doctor.
How do you say writing?
Ysgrifen.
Mae ysgrifen sbwriel gyda Alex.
Da iawn. I'm not saying it was true, but grammatically it was perfect.
Wow.
Da iawn.
Oh yeah.
Blaze on it. You're all over it. Like a tramp on a bag of chips.
Dim yn clyfar iawn. Only 3 more.
You can even use Dyfi. You play, might have heard it like, you know, if you drank gormod o wyn, you say, pen tost, Dyfi. Tost, pen tost, yeah. Yeah, a pen tost, Dyfi.
But if you haven't got a bad day, you go...
Stim pen tost, Dyfi. Stim pen tost, Dyfi. Oh, you can gloat. You didn't drink any wine. Stim pen tost, Dyfi. Nah. A fe dŵr. Ateb da iawn, os oes pen tost, yeah. Right, di pawb yn barod?
Barod! Barod I fi. Barod I fi.
Dim ond.
Dim ots is never mind. Dim ond is only something or other.
Dim ond. Dum dum. Dim ond yn i.
Yeah. Ni dim ond.
Oh, I've got dim on all twice.
Oh, what a cheat.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I tried one mine too.
Oh, I got that on my own. I've got guac. I've got it. Guac, guac, guac. What's that mean?
Beth ydy ystydd y gwair gwahol?
To invite. So, gwahoddiad is an invitation. Ma fi ar dylwadi, cana fy wnaid yn y gwaed a gaid ar galfari. So gwahoddiad, an invitation. If you get invited to anything, you will get a card in the post saying gwahoddiad. Gwahoddiad, an invitation. Gwahoddiad. You can have gwahoddiad I briodas, dum 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 dum. Gwahoddiad I barti. Right? Gwahoddiad I siarad mewn cinio a dweud fonefigion a bonefigesau.
Oh yeah,
right?
looking up there.
Yeah, so, yeah, gwahoddiad.
Because I go back to the same point in the board where the word is being.
Yeah, mae hynny'n ddiddorol. Physical location. Mae hynny yn ddiddorol.
What was the last invitation?
Right, na roi lawr ar y bwrdd. Gwahoddiad. To use. So gwahodd ydy to invite. Gwahodd to invite. Gwahoddiad. Invitation. Invitation.
It's got a great amen, isn't it? Gwaholiad.
Yeah. Amen.
I should have done the lower part. Nice one.
Ardderchog, gwahoddiad, ie, gwahoddiad. Felly, ie, so ydych chi'n gallu mynd i'r siop a prynu cerdyn gwahoddiad. gwahoddiad I briodas, and he got them ready-made and send them out a bydde felly. Mae Mr and Mrs Jones, hoffai Mr and Mrs Jones, estyn gwahoddiad I chi I briodas ei merch, lleici gwallter, or whatever, right, iawn, I, whatever. Iawn, okay, so hoffai Mr and Mrs gwallter, estyn gwahoddiad to hand out an invitation to invite you. So, estyn gwahoddiad. Yeah. Or gwahodd if you wanted to invite. On estyn gwahoddiad is more formal way of saying to estyn. So estyn is to reach out.
Literally, estyn to reach out.
Yeah. So all these school inspectors, estyn inspectors, are reaching out to the teachers and the children. They're reaching out in a helpful way. Estyn. Right, ydy pawb yn barod nawr ar gyfer bingo. Bingo. Mae'n nhw'n hoffi gweithio yn ei gwesti. Na, yn naturiol,
Naturiol. So, which perception?
Yeah, that's right, that's fine, yeah. That's right. And remember what you shout after you get a line? Llinell. If you get 2 lines? Dwy linell. If you get the whole house? Ti! Okay, yeah. Mae'r gwesti'n cael ei redeg... Dyma Ioan.
Dyma.
Y perchnogion yw... Llinell! Oh, right. Oh. Right, be di'r 3 gair sydd gyda ti?
Naturiol.
Yeah.
Gweithio.
Yeah.
Perchnogion.
Da iawn. A dyna pam dych chi yma. Chi yw'r dethol rai sydd wedi eich gwahodd i...
Gwahodd! Oh, gwahodd.
What does that mean?
To invite.
Like, oh, yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry, we're just having a conversation again.
Don't worry about that. Did this big acting thing? Wait the bar, wait the bride, the wedding,
But that's all right. You give that big
Yes, so point is we did do it. I think we touched upon it. Yeah, yes, we just in passing. Right? Yeah, correct. Da iawn. So gwahodd to invite. Da iawn, so you go.
Gwahodd I Christmas party.
Yeah. Where's it? Well. Stim ots dy fi. Oh, guys. It's now time. Byddwn ni'n aros yma tra... Byddwn. Mae e'n 33 oed ac mae e'n fachgen...
Fachgen! Llinell!
Right. Yeah, so i fel 2, right iawn.
Byddwn fachgen.
Da iawn.
Oh, I got gweithio.
Yeah.
Have you voted for yourself on Facebook?
Iawn. Mae MSc gyda fe mewn Cymraeg.
Llinell!
Right.
Gweithio a Cymraeg.
Da iawn, ardderchog, okay, nawr ten.
Nice iawn.
Yn gweithio yma hefyd mae ei plant.
Gweithio.
Croeso mawr I chi felly. Na, yn naturiol, dwi eisiau defnyddio actorion. I said ddim... Defnyddio nes I ddeud, ie?
Did you not say to me no?
No, I said defnyddio. Right, okay.
Oh, get in there, Alfie.
Iawn?
Gwahodd,
Ia,
defnyddio,
ia.
perchnogion.
Da iawn, ardderchog. Pwy as y gyda llinell? Pwy as y gyda llinell?
No, I was lying.
All right, iawn.
I thought you said no.
Na, defnyddio. What I actually said was, na, yn naturiol, dwi eisiau defnyddio. I want to use.
We'll say Domino next.
Well, when it comes up, I will. So, yeah, okay. Croeso mawr I chi felly I Westi Forest. Un o westau mwyaf...
Mwyaf!
Right, okay.
That was Mongolian.
Dwy linell. So, dyn ni ddechrau fan hyn. OK, myfanwy. Give us your llinell.
Gwesteion,
Yeah,
gweithio,
yeah.
dymunol.
Da iawn. Iawn.
Dymunol?
Have we had dymunol? We haven't had... We haven't had... Twyllo. Yeah, we haven't had... We haven't had dymunol. Dyn ni ddim wedi cael dymunol eto, na. Right.
Mae dwy linell dy fi.
Right.
Gwesti gweithio Cymraeg.
Yeah.
A nawr, moethus defnyddio actorion.
O, ddechog. Da iawn.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You didn't say moethus. You haven't said
do, yeah, do, nes I dweud, yeah. I said, you know, Westai, mwyaf moethus. I stopped on moethus.
Oh, you stopped on moethus.
Llinell, I have going then.
All right, iawn.
Mine hadn't said yet.
Right, ti'n dod yn byrig.
Hoffi,
Yeah,
gwestion,
yeah.
a plant.
Oh.
Nice one.
Yeah, yeah, hwnna'n, yeah, felly. Hoffi, gwesteion plant. Nawr ten, myfanwy, nawr myfanwy.
Gweithio,
Yeah,
defnyddio,
yeah.
mwyaf.
Yeah, mwyaf, yeah, because, yeah, it was, yeah. Mwyaf moethus, most luxurious. Llinell? Yeah.
Dau.
Oh, right, yeah, dwy linell, yeah, okay. Right.
Sorry, but.
Yeah. Ond. Yeah, yeah. Ond.
Mae'n lun dy fi. Dim
Yeah.
problem, bud.
Yeah, yeah.
Dim problem, ond. Gweithio,
Yeah,
mwyaf.
yeah.
Oh, gweithio.
Gweithio? Well, he obviously worked very hard. Right, okay, da iawn.
Gwahon.
Yeah.
A blwyddyn. Byddyn.
Byddwn, da iawn. Okay, da iawn, dwy linell, ardderchog. Right, okay. Right, okay, iawn, da iawn. Right, na ten. Mae e'n 33 oed ac mae e'n fachgen dymunol i...
Dymunol. The tree cleaner.
Oh, right. Iawn, gawn ni'n clywed nhw, ie? No, not necessarily. Right, ti eisiau darllen yn ôl?
Naturiol dymunol.
Ie, iawn, okay.
Wel, moethus defnyddio actorion dymunol, Cymraeg, gweithio, gwesti.
Ardderchog, da iawn.
Y llunydd feminine.
It is. So, dwy linell, llinell. Yeah, it
So
is.
you should have his line described.
Oh, well, no. Well, to be fair, no. To be fair, dwi ddim wedi roi, I didn't actually put up tair llinell ddoe. So,
That'll be another 500 for me now.
Oh, you might.
yeah, nes I ddim roi rhain ddoe, because I only give you dwy, yeah, so dwy, tair peder, felly. Right, now 10. Anybody with who's dim ond un gair ar all? Only one word left? Right, moethus dymunol plant. Okay, da iawn. Barod. Y perchnogion yw'r rheinallt a lleici gwallter. Par hyfryd ac... I think there's an echo in the room. Right, da iawn. Okay, so hyfryd. Yeah, okay. Right, maen nhw'n hoffi gweithio ni gwesti ac maen nhw wrth ei bodd yn helpu ei holl... Llinell.
Plant hyfryd redeg. What's that again?
Perchnogion.
Perchnogion helpu hyfryd.
Da iawn, ardderchog. So we must... Mae'n bosib bod ni yn dod yn agos, okay. Chi yw'r dethol rai sydd wedi eich gwahoddi actio yn anturiaethau fflach eirias. Oh, no, we went fanturiaethau. Oh, right, okay. Mae'r gwesti'n cael ei redeg gan deulu dymunol iawn. Na? Yn gweithio yma hefyd mae ei plant a'i partneriaid.
Yeah, partneriaid.
Iawn. Iawn.
Can't get there quick enough.
Right, iawn, da iawn, great. Right, okay. Yeah, no, it's... Okay, da iawn.
Someone's just woken him up.
Right. Well, no, it's the Welsh coming out. Right, barod, y perchnogion yw Reinald a Lleici Gwalter, par hyfryd, ac maen nhw'n gweithio'n galed iawn.
Galed! Llinell! Boom!
Yeah, I've got a T, I'm miles off a T.
Right.
Gwahodd, galed, and dymunol.
Da iawn. Okay. Croeso mawr I chi felly I Westi Forest, un o westau mwyaf moethus ein gwlad.
Pedair, Wynne.
Oh.
Dim ond un gair.
Yeah, right, iawn, okay.
Mae'n rhaid I fi un gair. Moethus defnyddio actorion dymunol, cemeg, gweithio, gwesti, gwlad.
Ardderchog. Oh. So mae'n dechrau mynd yn...
You're getting a bit close to a T.
Right, so... Dim ond un ar ôl.
You're sweating for one.
Ie, dyna mae'r tensiwn yn adeiladu. Mae'r tensiwn... Na, adeiladu?
Rising.
Building. Mae'r tensiwn yn adeiladu. Mae'r tensiwn yn adeiladu. Tensiwn yn... Mae'r tensiwn... Mae'r tensiwn yn adeiladu. Oh. Tensiwn. Mae'r tensiwn... Adeiladu. Mae'r tensiwn yn adeiladu. You could stick lan at the end, but it might be superfluous. But building is a yeah. So I'll put lan there, but you don't actually need it. But my tension adeiladu lan, or my tension adeiladu. Iawn. Adeiladwr. Anything an a man is an ur.
Up the ladder. The builders up the ladder.
Near me,
Yeah.
there's a chapel.
Yeah.
So it's
Ail adeiladu.
So like in the stone there, it says adeiladu in such
Ail adeiladwyd.
and then ail adeiladwyd in a different
Yeah, right. Yeah, yes. Rebuilt.
isn't it?
Yeah, the second has been second built. Yeah, adeilad. You got the adeilad. In that gripping quiz we had the other night, there was the question that the poem on what adeilad. Adeilad, yeah, there was the poem which was on the adeilad y cynulliad. The Senedd, adeilad y Senedd. Adeilad y Senedd, yeah.
Your friend wrote it.
Oh, Gwyneth Lewis.
Yeah. Adeilad y Senedd. The Senedd building, yeah. Okay, dyn ni bron a bod yna nawr. Mae'r tensiwn yn adeiladu lan. Mae calon yn curo. Oh, sorry. Mae'n mynd, pam.
Only after 3 everybody.
Anyway, calon yn curo. Right, okay, yeah, okay. Felly, right, nawr dyn. Byddwn ni'n aros yma tra bod ni'n ffilmio'r gyfres.
Llinell. Dwy llinell.
Right.
Nice, yeah.
Gyfres mwyaf gwahodd. Gyfres defnyddio dymunol.
Iawn, da iawn.
Tair llinell.
Tair llinell. Wow. Yeah,
Dymunol gyfres gwahodd.
yeah.
Gweithio defnyddio
Mwyaf.
mwyaf. Westion defnyddio gwahodd.
Da gwesteion, it's a good gwesteion.
Gwesteion.
Gwesteion, ardderchog, da iawn, ffantastig.
Linell gyda fi.
Dim llinell, just geiriau. Geiriau a dim llinell. Well, dyna'r sut sydd ohoni. That's the way the cookie crumbles. Yeah, just felly, like, full of compassion. Yeah, felly, like, yeah. Dyna'r sut sydd ohoni, yeah, okay. Right, okay. Oedd rhywun arall gyda lle? You're looking at me strange, or just in anticipation? Okay. Okay. Tensiwn yn adeiladu. Cnoi gwefus. Cnoi gwefus. Cnoi Gwynedd. Cnoi Gwynedd, yeah. Oh, right, okay. Mae'n 33 oed ac mae'n fachgen dymunol iawn.
You said that on 3 times.
Okay. Byddwn ni'n aros yma, dwi'n mynd cofio, byddwn ni'n aros yma tra bod ni'n ffilmio'r gyfres ac mae'n lle bendigedig. Excuse me, was that just a comment on my teaching or have you actually won? Oh, tea! Okay, iawn. Nawr te. Yeah, right. Prime. Well,
When I gave birth to my firstborn.
right, dyna fo, well that.
Imagine if Rodriguez wins on
Yeah, well dyna ni, that's going out after the watershed. Yeah. Right, now then, gan bod ti wedi ennill, right, mae'n rhaid ti ddarllen y 9 gair nôl. Read me the 9 words back. 9 gair. So... Oh, right, so you didn't do the, no, right.
I thought I'd lose votes if I did that.
Iawn. Right, okay.
Moethus,
Yeah,
Dymunol,
yeah.
Plant,
Yeah.
Cyll, Nogion,
Yeah.
Helpu, Hyfryd,
Yeah.
Bendigedig, Gwesti, Redeg.
Whoa! Fantastic. Gareth. Lowry Bowen. Hapus?
Hapus, yeah.
Oh, my Lowry yn hapus, felly, right? So, ti eisiau darllen?
Drop the character there for a moment.
Ti eisiau darllen nhw?
Moethus, defnyddio, actorion, gwlad, bendigedig, dymunol, gwesti, gweithio, Cymraeg.
Fantastic. Wey! Da iawn. So, 2D yn fanna, 2D. Fantastic, gwych, da gwych. Right, nawr te, beth dyn ni'n mynd i wneud nawr ydy, pawb lan ar eich traed, okay? Pawb lan, cerdded o gwmpas, leave your files for now. No, take your files with you, second thought. Codi eich files, you need your files for this, codi eich files. Ac, be dyn ni'n mynd i wneud, gyda'n gilydd dyn ni'n mynd, so dyn ni eisiau cilch y circle. Cilch. Cilch, my friend. A nursery. Cilch Ground is a magazine which has a circulation. So be dyn ni'n mynd i wneud, dyn ni'n mynd i ddarllen... Ailgylchu, to recycle.
Cilch
Van.
fan.
Yeah, because the van is the place. So, cilch van. So, be dyn ni'n mynd i wneud, ydy, dyn ni'n mynd i fynd dros tudalen 3-4 yn darllen fesur llun, and then you're going to go into pairs and read them. Ond just i gael, ti'n mach o rhythm a bydde felly. So, be dyn ni'n mynd i wneud ydy, pawb camu allan. Camu to step out. Pawb yn camu allan. So, you want to... Na, oedd yn wag, felly. Pawb yn camu allan. So, be dyn ni'n mynd i wneud, each time we say a line, we step in, camu mewn. Each way we say the next line, we step out. So, dyn ni'n mynd, na. Yn naturiol. Dwi eisiau defnyddio. Actorion gorau Cymru. A dyna pam dych chi yma. Chi yw'r dethol rai. Sydd wedi eich gwahodd. I actio. Yn anturiaethau fflach eirias. Croeso mawr i chi. Felly. I Westi Forest. Un o westau mwyaf moethus. Ein gwlad. Byddwn ni'n aros yma. Tra bod ni'n ffilmio'r gyfres. Ac mae'n lle bendigedig.
Ac mae lle bendigedig.
Mae'r gwesty'n cael ei redeg
Mae'r gwesty'n cael ei redeg
gan deulu
gan deulu
dymunol iawn.
dymunol iawn.
Now, tro yma, instead of camu I mewn ac allan, we'll camu i'r chwith when we say one line, ac i'r fe when we do that. So chwith, the first line, i'r fael. So, y perchnogion yw. Y perchnogion yw. Nawr, we go to the right. Reinallt a lleici gwallter. Reinallt a lleici gwallter. I'r chwith, par hyfryd. I'r fe. Ac maen nhw'n gweithio'n galed iawn.
Ac mae nhw'n gweithio galed iawn.
Bob dydd.
Bob dydd.
O fore gwynt a nos.
O fore gwynt a nos.
Maen nhw'n hoffi gweithio.
Mae nhw'n hoffi gweithio.
Yn ei gwesti.
Yn i'w gwesti.
Ac maen nhw wrth ei bodd
Ac mae nhw wrth ei bodd.
yn helpu I holl westeion.
Yn helpu yn holl westeion.
Yn gweithio yma hefyd mae
Yn gweithio yn hefyd mae.
ei plant a'i partneriaid.
Plant a'n partneriaid.
Dyma Ioan.
Dyma Ioan.
Mae e'n 33 oed
Mae'n 33 oed.
ac mae e'n fachgen dymunol iawn.
Ac mae'n fachgen dymunol
Iawn.
iawn.
Mae MSc gyda fe.
Mae MSc gyda
O, sorry. O, mae'n fachgen clyfar iawn, sorry, iawn. Diolch yn fawr. Mae'n fachgen clyfar iawn hefyd, i'r chwith, ia. Mae'n fachgen clyfar iawn. Chwith. Ac nawr i'r fe, oce. Mae MSc gyda fe i'r fe. Mae MSc gyda fe. Mewn Cymraeg. O Brifysgol Bangor.
O Brifysgol Bangor.
A PhD mewn ffiseg quantum.
A PhD mewn ffiseg quantum.
O Brifysgol Aberystwyth.
O Brifysgol Aberystwyth.
Right, nawr ten, beth nawr ni, cyn I ni fynd I eistedd lawr.
Rhywbeth.
Da iawn, right, okay. Newn ni wneud tennis, okay, cyn I ni mynd I eistedd lawr. So, cofio gyda tennis, whatever I stop in the sentence, you come in, yn gyflym. Okay, felly, so mae'r un cynta, the first sentence is na, but isn't it right? So, na yn
Naturiol.
dwi eisiau actorion.
Gorau Cymru.
A dyna pam dych chi? Chi yw'r dethol sydd wedi eich I yn anturiaethau. Croeso mawr. Felly I westi, un o westau mwyaf. Ein. Byddwn ni'n aros tra bod ni'n ffilmio'r ac mae'n lle. Mae'r gwesty'n cael ei gan
Minol iawn.
a perchnogion Reinallt a lleici par ac maen nhw'n gweithio'n o bob o fore gwyn maen nhw'n gweithio hoffi yn ei ac maen nhw yn helpu ei yn gweithio yma hefyd ei plant a'i dyma mae'n 30 ac mae'n fachgen clyfar mae MSc mewn o brifysgol a PhD mewn o brifysgol iawn, okay, that's it. So nawr ffeindiwch bartneriaid. It's not like you can sit next to anybody, felly just mingle around ac mynd ffansio bod yn partner gyda fi. So, ewch o gwmpas, find a partner, ac eisteddwch chi nawr, ac then read through llinell o llinell tudalen 3 a 4. Find new partners if you can. Iawn. Ffwrddwch chi? Iawn. Go on.
Na. Yn naturiol? Na.
Dwi
Eisiau defnyddio.
Defnyddio. Actorion gorau Cymru.
Wedi ei gwasanaeth. Anturiaethau llawn eiriau.
Gwahodd. Gwahodd.
I actio.
Anturiaethau fflac eiriau.
Croeso mawr I chi.
Gan daili.
I Westy Forest.
A nhw westi
Mwyaf. This is the nose job. Mwyaf moethus.
mwyaf mwythus.
Ein gwlad.
And turn iaith a neu gwesti.
Dau ti daled.
Right, okay. Na ni ddod nôl nawr. Dwi eisiau gwneud pawb nôl nawr. Dim sgript. Dy cyfan dyn ni eisiau ydy eich corff. Sorry, eich corff, your bodies. So, dyn ni'n mynd I orffen with some physical location of tenses. This is y presennol. This is tu ôl I chi. This is the wedi tense. This is the have done something. Yeah. Be? Yeah, byddai'n dod nôl man in. Okay, so dych chi'n iawn fyna. The dyfodol, the future, is up here in front of you. So the future is always ahead of you. The past is always behind you, and this is the present. Okay? So all you need to do is to listen out. Is there a wedi in it? Is it above in it? And if not, it's in the present tense. So for instance, if I were to say, dwi wrth y modd yn chwarae golf, where would you locate yourselves? Yeah, okay. If I were to say, bydda i'n chwarae golf yfory? Iawn. If I say, dwi wedi chwarae golf, wythnos diwetha. Okay. Mae fflach yn licio chwarae golf. Right, okay. Mae fflach wedi chwarae golf. Bydd fflach yn chwarae golf wythnos nesaf. Dwi wedi gyrru car rasio. Okay. Bydda i'n talu am y gwyn coch heno meddai heddap Dafydd. Dwi wedi yfed gormod o wyn coch. Mae hi'n heilog heddiw. So it's just, there's no wedi and there's no be, so it's in the present. Mae hi'n heilog. Bydd hi'n heilog yfory. Dwi wedi gweld fflach eirias yn hedfan o gwmpas. Bydda I yn mynd I Aberteifi heddiw. Dwi wedi bod yn Aberteifi o'r blaen. Dwi wedi. Dwi'n licio curry.
You leave my curry alone.
Bydda i'n bwyta curry fori. Dwi wedi bita curry ddoe.
Dwi wedi bwyta curry ddoe.
Right, okay. Mae hi bron yn amser I orffen y wers. Byddwn ni yn rhannu mewn dau grŵp mewn munud. A dwi wedi penderfynu canu un can cyn I fynd. Da iawn ar ddechrau. So you physically locate yourselves in those places when you hear something with a wedi, above or above I, and if it's a present tense is here. So you actually physically locate yourself. Ond cyn I ni fynd, siawns arall to tickle a different partner this time.
Okay.
Right, with the shani flewog. So find a new partner. Ffindiwch partner newydd, somebody you can tickle. Right. So, be nawr ni, we start off a person ar y fe, right, who starts off the tickling, the cosi, then we'll swap you around. So you're the tickler, right, okay? So, mae'n mynd fel hyn, siani flewog, bler ei di, dringo I fyny at dy ysgwydd I dy gosi di. Do you want me to write it up?
Yes, please.
Yeah, okay. To tickle you.
In your ear.
Yeah, to tickle you. Well, it's not. to tickle you. So, dyma ni, siani flewog. Shani flewog. Whoops. Shani flewog. It's a V sound. Dia dringo fyny at dy ysgwydd I dy gosi di. Right, cynni fynd, quick pronunciation, blitz, okay? Siani flewog, siani flewog, bler ei di, dringo i fyny at y ysgwydd. Dramatic pause. I dygosi di. Iawn, okay. La 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 lam dum dum ya da 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 dum. Yeah, okay.
Is that what
Dum. Right, okay, bant y chi. Mae'n amser, we're going to do this gyflym iawn. Mae'n nhw'n cnocio ar y drws, felly. Ffwrdd y chi, iawn. Okay, dewch am y cymysand here. I dygosi di. A swapiwch nawr. Swapiwch. Yeah, swapiwch. You can do it again. You can do it again. Right. So swapiwch nawr. Swapiwch nawr. Swapiwch, okay. A gyda'n gilydd, synchronise it. 1, 2, 3. Siani flewog, bler ei di. Dring o'i fyny at y ysgwydd. Pause. Right, dyna ni. Okay. Gwych, diolch yn fawr iawn.